Why, Microsoft? Why? Please tell us why. Okay. I waited a while, actually, to see if Microsoft was going to address this. Address what, you might say? The disparity between the Surface Duo and Samsung devices within Phone Link. Windows Link on the devices, Phone Link on our PC. There's three features now that Samsung devices have that we do not have on Microsoft Surface Duo devices. You don't know about it? All right, well, let's talk about it. All right, this is the first video that will be created using Clipchamp. So let's hope this goes well. My S21 Ultra is connected to Phone Link right now. So let me show you one of the features that you get when that's the situation. So when I select Phone Link here, and I don't right mouse click and choose open, but instead I just click it, I get my most recent apps that I've opened on the device. So I could open it up right here. I can go to all apps from here as well, which is the same thing as opening it. So that's what I'm going to do. Because what I want to show you here is up here in the what's new, you will see you saw instant hotspot, and that's because that's the last thing that was added. Now I can use my Surface Duo 2 and have used it as a hotspot. But this makes it quicker. I don't know. I haven't done it yet to see because my SIM is in my Surface Duo 2 and with the OtterBox case double side taped on because I removed the screen protectors on it. Makes it a little harder to take the SIM in and out. So when I take it out and clean it, which I'm planning on doing, I'll test it out. Another feature that I find very useful or would be very useful. I haven't tested it. I don't have to do it. I just don't use my Office apps on my S21 Ultra anymore. I do all that on my Duo. But you can be working on an Office document and then continue it easily on your Surface, or excuse me, on your PC, if it's a Surface or a PC, whatever it may be. Uh, this is kind of a continuum experience, but not exactly. Anyone that knows what continuum was with Windows 10 Mobile, then you'll know no, this is not that. And neither is the remote desktop option that we have on the Duo 2. That'll be covered in another video. And then you saw the one about an even faster way to get your apps or get to your apps. We don't have that. So the three features, which I've not used these two yet, but I will, and I'll do a video on each one of these separately for the Samsung as a Samsung phone link feature. Just wanted to point out to Duo users what we are missing. I do want to point out, I hope you're listening still, that I have tweeted about these and I will tweet this video. And if you would like to see these things addressed, how about retweeting? How about liking and even commenting on the tweets so Microsoft might see them? There you go. I could use some of those, I think. Will we get them soon? Who knows? But hey, if you found this helpful, useful, likable, whatever, likes, yeah, great. Hey, would love to get a subscription. That helps us as long as you think the content's good for you. Comment, tell me what you think. And thanks for watching.